Okay guys, so I am starting here a new video on how to make a report template because I observed that many people just report but not using the wrong, they're using the wrong template I guess. Oh yeah, so I am making here this is for the report. So let's start. Let's go to let's go to oh my. Okay, so oh yeah. So let's go to forms. Then let's go to yeah. So if you're reporting, then let's go to forums. Then go to reports. Yeah, go to reports, and you can go to report format by the mark. But I don't know if we could. Oh, it's okay. I will read for you. This forum is only to report the following subjects: rule violation, breaking the rules, cheating, yeah, admin abuse, yeah, briefing, and glitching. Okay, so we will read it. In all posts, you have include your in-game name, username, and you have to have proof screenshots. It can also help to give the coordinates so admin can go to location and check who did it and what happened. Or in case it in a faction base, give us the faction name so admin can join it and TP to the base. Oh yeah. So let's go back. That's the report format or the template. Hello. Most reports are sloppy with misspellings. So I bring you a neat and quick solution. Just click the show to see the format. Your ID type of report, admin abuse, brief. Oh yeah. So type of report. Then their in-game name. Why must be at least 2 sentences. Proof. Oh yeah. So let's go to forms again. Let's go to where we will start here. Oh, I forgot. I'm going to reports. So we will go to new thread here. That's new thread, and like you will do it like this. The subject you will do like this report. Then slash the oh yeah, like dash. Then the their in game name, the one you want to report, like test yeah, test and report IGN. Your in their IGN, yeah. Also, you will put there the one you want to report. Then yeah, just gonna put test. Then we will go to and we will go like IGN, the in-game name, then your IGN, your in-game name, your like username in your Minecraft, and type of report. The type of report you want, like abuse or cheating or breaking the rules or something like that. Then just gonna put that as test. And type of report, then their IGN. Their in-game name will be like their game you want to report. Like we just put the test and we will just put it like test.
Yeah, you.
Then we will do like Y, and as the template, you need that you need two sentences back in, like I don't have any words. Then the last will be the proof. Oh, with no proof, like just proof here and just But you'd like IGN, then just remember this IGN type of report, then just their IGN and Y and proof. Then you will just I'm just gonna erase it first. So then just gonna post the thread. Yeah, just post the thread. Okay, so this is only for a short helping video. Hope you guys. This will be like itsy bitsy help. Oh yeah. So yeah. Thanks, and we hope I just helped you today. Bye.